If you clicked on this video, that means you're looking to learn French either to extend your work permit or to apply for PR under French category or to get that bilingual or government job. If the answer is yes, then in this video I'll be giving you the TEF exam breakdown, how much score you need to extend your work permit or apply for that PR. These are two different things. And what's the cost of it? And most importantly, how can you give your TEF exam worth $400 for absolutely free? So make sure you stick till the very end. If you're new to this channel, my name is Sharma. I'm an ex-recruiter from Government of Canada. In the last 3 years, I've helped over 3,000 people land better jobs. Doing that, we have received multiple awards for the same. Let's dive in. So first and the foremost, what's the TEF exam breakdown? Well, it consists of the same 4 modules, just like how we have in IELTS and CELPIP. And hey, if you're not sure which one is better, check out this video. This video is one of the highest viewed video on this channel. So definitely check this out. This will explain which one is better. But similar to that, it also has 4 modules: listening, reading, writing, speaking. Consists of close to 3.5 hours of exam. And in each section, you need at least CLB 7 and above to apply under the French category for your PR. Or if you're applying for extension of work permit, you need CLB 5. Now to dig deeper in all these 4 modules, I've actually interviewed a French instructor who himself have given his French exam, got near perfect score, and now working in top banks of Canada in bilingual role. Let's hear from him. What's the pattern of TEF Canada exam?
TEF Canada has 4 parts as any other language. We have speaking, reading and writing. In the speaking, we have 2 parts, section A and B. Total duration for the speaking is only 15 minutes. Speaking is the easiest part. Okay, about the reading, 6 parts and every question is MCQ. In total, we have 40 questions and we have 1 hour in total for that. In the listening, they have 6-7 parts only. So now the pattern has been changed.
And how long is the listening?
40 minutes.
And last is writing. I am assuming 2 parts in writing.
2 parts, section A and B. You have 1 hour in total. Section A is the fait divers. Section B, we has a letter, a formal letter. The duration for that is 35 minutes.
Now I also asked Midul, how long will it take for someone to reach this level? Let's hear from him.
I would say I'm leaving this question on the students only. Like I meant to every student out there who is even planning to start learning French, for any teacher, this may be verified for their qualification.
Now the most important part that we'll talk about, what level of French you need, first of all, to extend your work permit under Francophone mobility program, and second of all, to apply for PR under French category. So talk about the first one, the Francophone mobility program. A lot of people feel that this program is going to end very soon, but the fact is I actually had a word with an immigration officer and I asked him about this particular program. Let's hear what he has to say.
French is your golden ticket to PR, Canadian PR. Okay.
Now, based on his research, this program is not going anywhere as of right now. Now, to apply under the Francophone mobility program to extend your work permit, you need CLB 5 in just 2 modules, which is speaking and listening, which is not bad at all if you think about it. Plus, you also need an employer who can support you to extend that work permit. But hey, if you have that score, then finding a bilingual job will not be hard because there is literally no competition in that. Like seriously, I asked Mridul how many jobs he applied once he had that French. He said that he applied to 12 jobs, out of which he got 7 interviews and landed 2 job offers within 10 days. That's how crazy it is. There is literally no competition in bilingual job market, guys. So I'm very confident if you can get CLB 5, finding a bilingual job will not be hard. Now talking about getting a PR under French category, you need at least CLB 7 in all 4 modules to get that additional 50 points for your PR application. And guys, I don't know if you noticed, but the recent French draw was only 434, which was close to less than 100 points compared to express entry. Insanity. Think about it. 100 points. What a huge difference there is. And Government of Canada has all the plans to increase the number of French draws in the next 3 years. I literally went on their website to check it, and it is true. They are going to increase the French draw in the upcoming years. Now talking about the cost, for IELTS and CELPIP, it's cost you around $300, but for French and TEF examination, it's around $450. And remember in the beginning, I told you how can you save that $400 and give your TEF exam for free? Well, last month, MPM launched its own French school. We onboarded 2 amazing mentors who themselves have given their TEF exam, got near perfect score, and now working in Scotiabank as well as Government of Canada in the bilingual roles and living their Canadian dream. And the best part, both of them applied for their PR under French category. And you can literally start your own French journey with us for absolutely free because we host free French Masterclass every month that you can check out from the link below and book your spot and get the roadmap for not just extending your work permit, but also applying for PR under French category, as well as using that language to apply for bilingual jobs, just like how these 2 mentors did. Of course, guys, if you want to try by yourself, there is a lot of free resources, apps like Duolingo, as well as many videos that you can watch on YouTube. But hey, fast can beat free, and if you have limited time, then getting a mentor who themselves have done it can be the best resource for you. But before you join, please note, if you have less than 4 to 5 months to appear for your TEF exam, then I would not recommend joining this webinar because it will take time. Okay, it's a language. If out there someone is telling you that you can clear TEF exam in 3 months, that is just not possible. You would need at least 7 to 10 months. But hey, if you have that much time and you can give at least 1 hour, then come join us for our upcoming free French Masterclass. I will also be joining that session. I would love to see you there. In just first 2 weeks, close to 50 students joined us and started their French journey, and we will be paying for their TEF exam whenever they are ready. And guys, remember the immigration officer I showed you? Well, he's also part of this community, and you also get access to him every single month so that you get up to date with all the PR changes that is coming up with IRCC. So it doesn't matter if you're looking to extend your work permit, apply for that PR under French category, or looking for that bilingual job. We can certainly help you inside this MPM French community. Other than that, guys, if you have any more questions regarding the French exam or the French language in general, just put it down in the comments. I will bring Mridul in and answer all of them for you. And if you have stuck till here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.